Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jade, aka Cheeky Sparkles, and today I am a little tired. So I thought it would be fun because the mailman came this morning to do a fun little get ready with me kind of situation slash unboxing of the new thing I got, clothing wise. So recently I was, peeping around on yesStyle and AliExpress. This is from yesStyle, and I was like, okay, this is really cute. It's not even summertime anymore. It's freezing here. I live in Canada. It is cold. But I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I don't like pants. I'm gonna just yank up my tights, my long socks, and I'm gonna trudge to Tim Hortons to get my Timbits in freezing weather. It's fine. But we have a package, so we're just gonna open it up. Hopefully I got it, and then I got a blouse that goes with it, because it is a dress, that I think goes well together. So hopefully it all fits, because if not, I'm gonna be sad. So it came in this nice, very condensed package. I've never got anything from yesStyle before, and oh my god, why is this so hard to open? Yeah, I've never gotten anything from yesStyle before, and like I've done AliExpress before and I really liked it. It just took a long time. This actually came really quickly. It was here like really quick. I ordered it like a few weeks ago, and normally I feel like stuff like this takes forever to get here. So I got some socks because I love socks, and okay, that's my receipt. Y'all don't need to see that. So it just comes in a dandy little package like so. I am a sucker for ruffle socks. I love ruffle socks so much, and when I saw that they had some for like, I don't know, $5, I'm like, oh, let's get some. So I snatched these up, and I thought it was like you could pick 3 different colors, but it's no, you get 3 of the same color, which I'm not mad about at all. I like ruffle socks. So I got it in the classic white pair. Now, they're just like your plain ruffle socks. Here, I'll pull one out of the package. I got 3 of them because I have my other ruffle socks lying around my room somewhere at the moment. Here we go. This is what they look like. Ooh, they're just, yep, they're ruffle socks. That's all I wanted. I wanted ruffle socks. That's it. That's the end. That's all we got. Ruffle socks. Just kidding. There's more. Oh, that's pretty. I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the blouse I got. It's from Shasha. Very fancy sounding. I got it in a medium because that's generally what size I am. Like, I was a medium in Japan, I'm a medium in Canada, I'm a medium in the US. So I'm like, let's go with medium, why not? I'm a universal medium, maybe. Sometimes, occasionally I like to get an extra large sweater from Walmart though. I'm feeling, you know, cold. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I only have a few blouses, and like, one was for choir and like your classic, like very strict, like plain Walmart George brand blouse. So it's not very fancy. I only have one other one that I got from a thrift store, which is not hanging up right now. But this one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so simple, but it's so pretty. Like, can we take a peek at this? Look at the ruffles. Look at the buttons. They're so shiny. I just love it. And the little ruffle detailing on the sleeves, that's so cute. It's such a simple blouse, but like it's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I am very excited to have another cute blouse in my collection. The material feels really nice. It is very see-through. So yes, this is definitely something that you would wear with the tank top underneath if you're wearing just the blouse by itself, or with something over top. My personal recommendation. Alright, so the last thing I got from yesStyle is this dress, and it is the part that I, like, why I got stuff out there. I'm like, the other stuff was just to get the free shipping. This was the main part that I wanted. I'm crying. Did that actually just happen? What the cheese? Oh, never mind, it's a pin. It's fine. I was scared there for a second. Okay, this is from the brand Only One. That is so freaking cute. It's made in Korea. Look at that. That's super cute. Okay, but it is, oh, okay, it's literally like overalls. fudge knuckle me up. What? Oh my god. The little straps on this, they're little bears. Excuse me? Excuse me? That's so flipping cute. Okay, one second. I just need to do this up. Give me a minute. So it is this super cute, it's like lavender and adorable, and there's bear things, and it's so cute. The thing I freaked out about was these fell to the ground as soon as I opened the package, and I'm like, did it break? Did it come broken? I'm gonna cry. It's just a pin. It can be pinned on, so you can have them like that. There's the little pin. You can have the cherries on, or you can have the cherries off, and I was like crying. And that's super cute, because then if I don't want cherries on it, I don't have to have it. That's freaking awesome. I love that idea. That's so cute, but it is so adorable. It's got stretchiness right here. The one thing that I will like say that I have noticed is there's a lot of loose like strings everywhere, so I've been cutting a lot of those, which like I'm not mad about, like, but it's super cute. I'll definitely get some good wear out of this. Okay, well, let's get it on and then let's do some moving. Okay, so the dress is super cute. I guess they're dungarees. They are a one size fits all, and I'd say I'd have to agree with them. So the length is actually really nice. It's just above my knees. It's actually a little big on me. That's surprising from like China or wherever, at least this one came from Korea for a one size fits all. It's actually pretty loose, so I actually think I might have to take it in. Maybe I'll leave it loose. The blouse is a little short on the sleeves. I should have sized up. That's my problem, but like it still looks super cute with the dress. I've just paired it with some white tights, but it's super cute. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Just look at this. So I'm just sitting on my floor now. With this outfit, I will be wearing a wig, so I've just got a wig cap here that I'm just going to put on. Yep, we love a wig cap look. I am going to be wearing the wig of the month, obviously. So I'm sure we all know what that looks like by now. If you haven't, then welcome. This must be your first time. And hello there. But there we go, we're in a wig cap. So I've already kind of moisturized my face because I like moisturization. So I'm just gonna go in with the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline and like their palest shade. So how is everyone? How is your day going? What's new? Are some of you back in school? You know, how's that life? University, high school, middle school, elementary? It's elementary. Dang, how's the internet? It's fun, let me tell you. Next, I'm just gonna go in with the e.l.f. powder. So moving on, I'm just gonna work on the eyes. Now with this look, I'm kind of going for a more neutral look. So I have here my Sephora colorful little guy here. It's just one of the single ones. It's just a shiny pink. I used this for my grad. I have this in like a lot of colors. They were like 16, 8? I can't remember. They were like super cheap for little doodads. So I like got a bunch of them, and then with an old like ice cube tray, I like have them all nicely organized by color. If you want a makeup tour, leave it in the comments below. I would love to do one for you. Okay. Well, not that that made any difference to the camera, but in person, it made a difference. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to eyeliner. I like to use the e.l.f. liquid liner. I don't know. I tend to like e.l.f. I don't know. I really like that brand. That brand and NYX. I know it's like, it's drugstore, but like, I really like those brands. You know? Gotta save some money somewhere. Okay. Eyeliner on. Difficultly, but it's on. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is mascara, and then we're gonna attempt to do lashes. Yeah, again, not a beauty guru, so my apologies. But I like to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just started using this recently from like my old, like literally Walmart, Maybelline, CoverGirl. I don't know, I switched between them a lot. I never really had one I stuck to. I'm like, this one's new, let's try it. But it is so nice. Like, I know some people are probably watching this like, wow, she's crazy. But you know what? That's fine, because I am. And I know it. Honestly, I might not even put falsies on. It's a lot of work to go through. And you know, I'm just kind of enjoying my day off, so you know what? Sorry, we're forgetting falsies today. I know a lot of people can't live without falsies, but you know what? I can, especially if it's my day off. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I don't know, let's highlight. I'm using my favorite highlighting palette, the Moonchild highlighting palette from Anastasia Beverly Hill, and I'm using the shade Blue Ice. It is just such a nice shade. Okay, now that I'm all shiny and such, I am going to destroy the entire thing with blush because I like blush. We don't contour, we blush. I am literally just using like CoverGirl Instant Cheeks. I don't know, it works for me. The brush is like getting old and like is falling apart, but it's fine because it works. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I don't like to put lipstick on till after I have a wig on. I don't know, it's just a me thing because if you're wearing lip gloss, then it gets in the hair and it's just not good. So I have the wig of the month here, which is getting to a point where I should be brushing it out, but you know what? It can last one more day and then I'll brush it out. But yeah, she needs a little bit of love, but it's fine right now. Okay, so we're just gonna go from the back to the front. What a look. Now all I've done right here is I put this in a little ponytail in the back, and after watching a lovely Laura video on she did a fake bob, I have fallen in love with that hairstyle. So we're just gonna create a fake bob right now. Okay, so now that I have it up in a bob to match the red cherries, I've got my red beret here, which I've been in love with ever since I got it. I got it at Forever 21 a few years back, and it just says "In Your Dreams" on it, but I'm just gonna have the plain red side facing because, you know, dual-sided berets. I'm so excited for the beret season. I'm still on the hunt for a bright yellow beret to go with this dress. Still on the hunt. If you know where I can find one that color, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. I want a yellow beret so bad. Now this is the tricky part because like you're wanting to hide all the hair back here if you have a short bob. Lucky you. I don't, so I have to hide all the stuff in the back with the beret, which is a little trickier than it seems because I don't want anything falling out. For the final touch, I have the Sephora brand. It's called Raspberry something. So I'm just gonna use this, and I'm so sad I'm almost out of it. I actually have to go get more soon. But it is my favorite lip shade of the Sephora brand line. It is a liquid to matte, and I love the formula. It is very nice. Okay, so I think that is everything other than, obviously, I like to accessorize. Now, there is not a lot that I can really... I'm like, I want to do purple because I have purple on. Let me go see if I can find purple. Okay, so I found two purple clips that I think would go. So I have a star clip, or I have a bow. Star, bow. But I'm like, you don't want to take away from the design on the shirt. Maybe I'll go with the bow. I'm just gonna be simple today. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Make sure if you liked it to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I will be leaving all the links to what I got in the description below, just in case you wanted to sneak up a pair of the cute socks, a blouse, or the cute cherry dress. Also, head over to my Instagram and my Twitter to see more outside of Cheeky Sparkles content, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!